Okay, we're going to attempt a quick demo of the VIVITAR 3000AF autofocus 35mm slide projector. We're going to go through a series of slides and show the autofocus, the slide advance, and then the reverse. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, there was the autofocus. As you can tell, the slides are advancing with no problem at all, and the autofocus works excellent. This projector has been gone through completely, lubricated, cleaned, lubricated. The lens assembly was removed, and all the lenses were cleaned off and then reassembled, and it functions great. Okay, we're going to go ahead and go reverse through those slides now. As you can see, it has no problem at all going in either direction. Very quick exchange. And it works great. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching.